What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. We're on the road to 1,000. We've been growing slowly but surely, man. I appreciate the support. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man. Give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, getting right into these shoes, man. I'm excited about these, but at the same time, I'm not so excited, bro. Y'all seen the title, y'all seen the thumbnail, man. Y'all know what shoe it is. But just like that gray gun pair, if you haven't seen that video, I took the L on the size once again, bro. Tag reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, black, white, and black. I need that 11.5 or 12, man. And I was really on it this time, bro. But when I got there, 10.5 was the biggest. There wasn't even anybody in line. I guess the people that grabbed the 12 on down with a 13 on down or whatever had already checked out or was gone, man. There was nobody in the store when I got there. And a line formed soon after I pulled up. But it's all good, man. I'm close this time. This one's gonna be an easier swap than that gray pair trying to go from a 6 to a 12. Here we have the Nike SB Dunk Low Black Gum, man. Now, y'all know I've been talking about these for a couple of weeks now, a couple of videos. I had the white gum pair, 8.5, 9.5, showed up too late to grab them. I got the gray pair in a size 6, man. I seen that post a little late, pulled up, grabbed the last pair. Now, this time I seen the post right on the money, man. Got out the door, but when I got there, they still only had a size 10.5 left, man. Which sucks, but it's all good, man. Resale isn't crazy on these, so I feel like I'll be able to swap these this weekend at SneakerCon. So that's my plan, man. That's what I'm gonna try to do. But let's get into the shoes, man. Like I said, we have this black gum SB Dunk, man. It has black nubuck all the way across that upper, all the way around. Has a nice tumble swoosh on that white part. White midsole, gum on that outsole with the black foam exposed. Getting to the back of the shoe, man, has that back heel tab in black with the white Nike stitched in. Like I said, man, black nubuck all the way around, man. No crazy like back and forth brush motion on the suede-ish nubuck material. But these joints are solid, man. It's a black shoe. Yeah, I know I love black and white shoes, man. And that gum hit, bro, just sets the shoe off to me. That's probably my favorite part of the shoe, especially on this one being a black and white shoe. The gum looks really good on this joint, man. I can't even lie to you. Getting into that tongue, man. It's an all black tongue. Black tongue tag with the white Nike SB on it. On the insole, I know it's kind of dark, but on the insole, it's a black insole with the white square and black Nike SB on the insole, bro. These joints are clean, man. It's not as clean as that gray pair, but these will be a lot more durable with them being a black shoe. But at the same time, with that black nubuck you see all the time, it looks ashy really quick when you get a whole lot of wears out of them, but it's all good, man. If I get that size in these, bro, I'm definitely gonna rock these joints. That's one of my goals this weekend at SneakerCon, bro, is trading these for a 12, 11.5-ish in the black pair, and somehow pulling out a miracle and trading that size 6 for a size 11.5 and 12, man. So we'll see, man. Like I said, that's definitely the goal. If not, I'm not gonna beat myself over the head and try to make it happen and try to force it. But if it comes across, man, I'm definitely gonna be looking. There's gonna be plenty of vendors there, plenty of people walking around in the trade pit and things like that. So that's definitely what I'm gonna be trying to do as far as personals for this SneakerCon. These, the gray pair and those Zions, we're gonna go ahead and try to grab those before that price shoots up too much more, man. It's already like around $450-ish. So those are the 3 pairs I'm looking for personals for SneakerCon. But let's get back into these joints, man. Like I said, it does have that white midsole, black nubuck all the way around, black laces. And just like the white pair, man, no orange label on these, man. No extras, no extra laces or anything like that. The lace tips on these joints are white and does have like the Nike SB written in black. That's a nice little touch, man. It looks good with the shoe. But other than that, man, nothing really special about these joints at all. Solid pair though, man. I love the black, man. Second to that gray, but both clean pairs for sure. But overall, man, just about wraps it up for the video on these joints, man. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing, a quick look at these joints. Finally completed the set. Not in my size, but I did complete the set. Hopefully I can swap these black ones and gray ones for my size this weekend at SneakerCon. But that's just about it for this video, man. We got the black gum Nike SB lows. Wish me luck on switching for my size this weekend, man. Until next time, on the next video, peace.